beautiful home begins with a feeling. Before the furniture, before the lighting, the floor sets the mood of the entire space. Epoxy flooring has changed the way we experience interiors, turning ordinary surfaces into works of art. Today, we take a journey through 5 epoxy floor designs that don't just decorate a home, but tell a story of style, comfort, and modern living. The story begins with metallic epoxy flooring, where movement and light come together. As sunlight touches the surface, the floor seems to flow like liquid metal beneath your feet. Each pattern forms naturally, meaning no two floors are ever the same. This design reflects confidence and modern luxury, perfect for spaces that want to feel bold yet refined. Beyond its beauty, metallic epoxy is strong, moisture-resistant, and built to last, making it a statement that endures over time. Next comes marble effect epoxy flooring, inspired by timeless elegance. This design brings the grandeur of classic marble into modern living without the heaviness of natural stone. Soft veins glide across the surface, creating a calm and balanced atmosphere. The seamless glossy finish reflects light, opening up the room and making it feel more spacious. Marble epoxy flooring tells a story of quiet luxury, graceful, durable, and effortlessly beautiful for everyday living. Then the mood softens with grass theme epoxy flooring, where nature quietly enters the home. The gentle green texture beneath a clear epoxy layer creates a refreshing and peaceful environment. It feels like stepping into calm without the need for maintenance or care. This design speaks to comfort and relaxation, offering a soothing escape from busy routines. Waterproof, dust-free, and easy to clean, grass epoxy flooring blends natural beauty with modern practicality. The journey continues with geometric epoxy flooring, where design meets structure. Clean lines and balanced patterns guide the eye, giving the space a sense of order and creativity. This flooring feels modern and intentional, enhancing the room without overwhelming it. Strong and durable, geometric epoxy floors are made for daily life, telling a story of smart design and contemporary elegance in modern homes. The final chapter unfolds with LED wood epoxy flooring, a perfect harmony of warmth and innovation. Natural round wood pieces rest beneath crystal clear epoxy, softly illuminated by gentle LED lighting. As evening falls, the floor glows subtly, creating a cozy and luxurious atmosphere. This design feels personal and artistic, blending nature with technology. It is not just a floor, but a feature that transforms the entire space. In the end, epoxy flooring is more than a design choice. It is the foundation of how a home feels. From bold metallic reflections to timeless marble elegance, from calming grass textures to modern geometric patterns and glowing wood accents, each epoxy floor tells its own story. Together, they redefine modern living, where beauty, comfort, and durability exist in perfect balance.